Hi guys, I'm Laura Rugetti. I'm here with the new Effortless Tape-In collection by Luxy Hair. With a little bit of practice, just like clip-ins, this is so easy to do. With a mirror in front of you and a mirror in back of you, you guys can totally nail this. Then we're gonna just do that nice little baby section. Put your 2 fingers, because we don't want a bald spot. Okay, now pull that hair. And now you're gonna take the piece and then you're gonna put it right there and now hold it and then put the hair over it, and take the comb and then just gently smash it. You can even use your fingers now at this point. Very good. Yep. I'm gonna have you place it directly on top of it. And place it and you can smash. Very good. Okay. And now I'm gonna hand you this and you're gonna just put that right underneath it and all the way up. Do a little bit more. And now press it down and use the back of your comb. Now put this right on top of it. So you're gonna look at it and make sure you just measure that each side will match that other side. What I love about this tape, it's a medical grade gentle hold tape. So it's not gonna be pulling out your hair. Now you could customize these and make these into one, which is so great, but these are gonna definitely cut your time in half. I think my favorite thing about tapes is that it gives you extra fullness and you only have to do a couple sandwiches to make it that full. If you want fullness or length, the Effortless tapes are your best friend. And now really press it hard, press it hard. Gorgeous. If you want fullness or length, the Effortless tapes are your best friend.